only 1:30 in the afternoon on Sunday, April 13th. I can hear the storm already. Cold today.
It sure is.
This is my outfit of the day because we literally didn't bring any clothes for this weather.
Whose fault is that?
You. Oh my god. It's actually snowing.
What is going on?
He's so worried about the umbrella out of everything.
Our umbrella snapped. We're definitely not going anywhere today.
Yeah, we're gonna go back home. We're just gonna go get food from the convenience store and then go back. Oh, the crap guy.
Go.
Sausage. 1+1.
I have a sausage.
I want that one. 1+1. Oh my god.
Do you feel like we're in a drama?
Mm-mm.
Same.